video, we're going to do the jacket whip with a slide out. Jacket whip with a slide out, okay? So we just get started. 2 hands. You can start with 1, grab the other on the way in, intro if you want to. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And when you do this, you just got to rotate your body a little bit, gentlemen. Take the hand in and opens her right side up on the ankle. Cool? Let's do that again. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Let's take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. So remember, it's about going through the basic whip. She stays forward, like an extended shoulder push, if you will. 8 counts, and I just go around her. But remember, it's about feeling that connection at the end, ladies, and opening up if he has the opposite hand you're used to. Cool? And if you want more information, go to
the private lesson style videos.
There we go. That gives you more detail about what we're talking about. Because why? This is a quick view video. Alright? So you're going right over this real quick. So come on back after you practice and let's learn the next pattern.